Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Shahidul Islam. Friends, uh, today we will try to speak English. We will try to discuss on how we will learn speaking English. আমরা কেন ইংরেজি স্পিকিং শিখব? What is the necessity or necessary of learning speaking English? ইংরেজি শিক্ষার গুরুত্ব বা প্রয়োজনীয়তা কি? আসলে actually the learning of necessity is immense. ইংরেজি শিক্ষার গুরুত্ব ও প্রয়োজনীয়তা অনেক, and I have not ability to discuss on it. Nevertheless, I will try to my best. তা সত্ত্বেও আমি চেষ্টা করব আমার সাধ্যানুযায়ী আলোচনা করার জন্য। Before going to the main topics, I'm requesting all of you to subscribe and like, share, make some valuable comments so I can be encouraged to make video every day. Friends, you know that English is an international language, and the demand of English around the world is beyond of description. ইংরেজি শিক্ষার গুরুত্ব ও প্রয়োজনীয়তা সারা বিশ্বে অপরিসীম। বর্তমানে ইংরেজি ভাষাটি now the language of English language is called like an industry, একটা শিল্পের মতো। So the demands of learning speaking English is increasing day by day. That is why around the globe there have been made many coaching centers, private centers, tutorial, online speaking course to train the learners to compete with the competition world. Because though you have been completed your graduation from physics, chemistry, mathematics, Bangla, etc., but if you are not able to speak English fluently, you will not be qualified. Now the technology and the competition world, the world has now been the global village. You can, if you want to communicate to the people of America, you can be able to communicate, to contact just 1 or 2 seconds or 1 minutes. So it is called the global village. That means the village has been smalled by the blessings of technology and the development of the technology, the demand of speaking English, the demand of English. It is not necessary to analyze to the educated personality, to the conscious personality. You know better than me, but who are fearing, that means who fear to learn, who face shame, who face the prestige of learning speaking English. যারা ইংরেজি শেখার ক্ষেত্রে প্রেস্টিজের ভয় করে, প্রেস্টিজ মানে পাঞ্চার হয়ে যাবে, লজ্জা লাগতেছে শিখতে গেলে, এই ধরনের মানসিকতা যাদের মধ্যে আছে তাদের জন্য আমার রিকোয়েস্ট, I have a request all of you, please believe me, you will be able to speak English fluently, but you have to mentally prepared just to learn. Okay, I have given the name of my YouTube channel Impact English. That means if doesn't impact English to you to learn, you will not naturally interested to learn it. Okay, so first I have to ask myself, is it impacting me or not? If it is yes, that means if the answer is yes, then you are welcome to practice in your real life, and I can assure that if you practice in your real life, you will be able within short time to speak a standard English. But when you try to speak in English, that means when we try to start your speaking English, or when we try to start practicing of learning speaking English, you must face some problems. So you are not requested to worry, because problems, it is the part of success. Okay, so start your speaking what you know. Whenever you start your speaking, start your practicing to learn speaking English, you will face some difficulties, some problems, because it is a mother tongue. Not, it's not a mother tongue, it's the foreign language, so it's common matter to break. Huh? But practicing more and more with many kinds of environment, with friends or colleagues, your fluency will be developed. But if you are not interested, that means if you don't practice but you are thinking to learn, you are thinking and thinking but you are not practicing, you can be able to learn. I'm giving an example. You want to be a business man, but you are not practicing to learn business. But if, then you will not be not able to learn how to uh, do business. Okay, so at the same way, at the same time, if you want to be a famous teacher, that means if you want to famous teacher on mathematics, but you are not practicing, but you are thinking. Now I have a question to you. Will you be able to be an expert teacher on mathematics? Answer is not, because you are not practicing. You are far away from practicing, but you are thinking that you have a dream that you will be a expert teacher on mathematics, but you are not practicing. So practice is the main reason, main fact, major strategy, main strategy to learn anything. So if you are a businessman, you have to practice on business. If you are a teacher, you have to practice on teaching. If you are a farmer, you have to practice on farming. If you are politicians, you have to practice to learn politics. This is the common fact. This is the common learnings. So practice is the key of all kinds of success. But you will not be able to single famous personality around the world who has been success first without failing. We know the name of Thomas Alva Edison. I have learned his life history. He has been, that means he failed over 10,000s. Then he succeeded. So this is the common matter. If Thomas Alva Edison back from first failing, he would not be able to invent electricity. So failure is the pillar of success. We know that. This is the very common sentence to us. So, but though we know the failure is the pillar of success, failure means foundation, stairs, but we are not mentally prepared to practice. Oh, we want to learn anything, we want to achieve our goal, just sleeping. ঘুমে থেকে আমরা স্বপ্ন আমাদের অর্জন করতে চাই। So এই কারণে that is why we are in a third world country. এই জন্য আমরা তৃতীয় বিশ্বের মধ্যে বাস করতেছি। However, I am gossiping than my experience, than my capability. Inshallah, why I am making video? What is the reason to make my video? The causes of my making video is to practice. I am practicing. Since I am practicing, I am trying to talk English speaking. I am making thousands of mistakes, but I think that though I am making thousands of mistakes, but after making mistakes more and more, inshallah, my mistake will be solved. So we have to practice through the making mistakes. Then our speaking will be speaking fluency will be increased day by day. That is why at the last of my video, I am requesting all of you to practice more and more in your real life, and I can assure that your speaking problems will be solved. And if you are interested that how can we start our practicing, I am requesting all of you to make your comment. Then I will try to make video on it. Wishing you a healthy and comfortable life. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.